so for today's video, I'm going to be sharing some things from my new favorite clothing brand called Halara. I don't know about you, but Halara has been like on my Instagram feed, like all the ads are like Halara, Halara, Halara. I just started working in an office, so then I needed some comfortable work clothes, and for someone who's petite, I'm almost 5'1", it's kind of hard to find. I don't know if you agree with me, but it's been a challenge to find. I mean, you can always find nice work clothes, but I mean something that's comfortable and that you want to wear and that is reasonably priced, right? Today I have a Halara haul and I have a whole bag of things that I will show you. I ordered 9 things and 3 I'm still waiting for, and it's already been like maybe 3 weeks. So I think I'm just gonna do this part 1 first, and then maybe the other 3 items I will show you. I was trying to wait because I had a pair of jeans in that order and I'm super curious about their jeans. They're supposed to be super stretchy, super comfortable, and we have a lot of like jeans days at work, and right now I have 1 pair of Mother stretchy denim like wide leg pants, and I love those, but they're very heavy. So maybe when those come, I will compare it to like the Mother jeans and the Levi's wide leg jeans that I have that are both stretchy, but I feel like the Halara one's gonna be even more comfortable than those. And those are like, well, the Mother one was expensive. The Levi's is, I don't know, $80, not bad. I think the Halara ones are like $59. So, you know, close to Levi's, but I think these are stretchier. Today I will show you the 6 things that I did get, plus 1 bonus, because I did join the Halara Circle that is on the website, and it's just one of those programs where you sign up and if they pick you, you get a free item, and all you have to do is do a quick survey. And the survey was like, not even like, you don't have to really write anything. It's like, if you could describe it in 1 sentence, how would you describe it? So really just 1 sentence. And yeah, I think it was like 6 questions or something. Super easy, highly recommend. I never thought I would get picked for something like that. And my second time, cause it's by week, it goes by week. The second time I tried, I got in. So highly recommend trying the circle. I think it helps if you have a previous purchase because it does ask for a confirmation code if you have one, but you don't have to have one either. I'm new to Halara. This is my first big order from them, or first order ever. I did pay for this with my own money. They're not sponsoring this at all. So this video is for petites. I should just say that in the beginning because I am 5'1". I wear like a size small in most things, and say like for Lululemon reference, I am size 4 pants and size 6 tops. I can wear a size 4 top, but it feels very constricted. So just for reference, my measurements are 34, 27, 36. And hopefully this helps you, because what I found out is that Halara doesn't really do exchanges in the way that you return something and you can get a different size. It's more of a, you get your order, you return what you don't want, and if you want it again, you have to reorder it. So, and the return is buyer paid shipping. So that's why I still have the pants that I am going to return. There are 2 things I'm going to return, but I'm waiting for my other order to come in so I can do it all at once if I have to return something from there. So yeah, I think this will help you out because I was looking online for petite try-ons for Halara, and there wasn't that many because, I mean, not that many people are 5'1". So let's just get into it. I will try on the first thing. I think maybe I'll do the Halara Circle one first because that is also a good one. Okay, so this is the pants that they sent. I don't know the name of it. There is a link on the bag, so I'll try to link it in the description. I don't know if it's out yet. I feel like they make the item and then they want your feedback and then they kind of sell it. That's what I'm guessing. I don't really know. They do have other ones that are very similar to this. So this would be like a Halara flex material. It's like almost the yoga pant material. It is so comfortable. And they sent me this in extra small, which I'm actually really glad because everything else I ordered in a small. but the extra small actually fits better. Just, I told you my measurements, and they have like measurement boxes to kind of see where you would fall. And it really depends on your body type and preference. Like if you prefer something looser up here, it is like a slightly, I wouldn't even say tight. It's just comfortable at the waist. But if you're wider at the waist, smaller at the hips, then maybe that wouldn't work. I don't know. But this is extra small, and these are like super comfy work pants. Like they're so stretchy. It's literally like yoga pants material. Like I was wearing these Lululemon pants before. Just for reference, this is the waistband of a regular yoga pant, and this is the waistband of the Halara pant. And it is stretchy like this. It has the pleats, so it actually looks really nice. I would say this is kind of like, it's not a thin material. It's not super heavy either. So it's like maybe a medium weight material. The pockets are super nice. You can actually fit your whole hand in it. There are fake pockets in the back, which I'm not mad at because, I mean, if you put something in there, it's just gonna really stick out. I don't see any real like panty lines, which is nice because it is a medium weight type of fabric, and it falls just really nicely, and it's just so comfortable. Like you can bend down and hang out. I am super happy with this. Like you can like, I don't know, stretch, whatever you want to do. I actually like this fabric, I think the best out of all the ones I tried. So super happy. I think this is not the petite length though. So if you can see, I can wear it with like maybe a little bit, a tiny heel, and it'll be good. This is probably the regular length because they probably send out regular lengths, not petite lengths to people. But yeah, I love these pants. It's so good. And even though it's like not a real fly or clip, it's elasticated waist, it looks nice. Like if you want to see it up close, there's belt loops. You can wear a belt. There's no belt loop in the back, but they are in the front. So you can still wear a belt. It just, would it move in the back? I don't know, not really, right? Super happy with this. Okay, so this next outfit is both from Halara, and this is the Softly Zero Airy Scoop Neck Short Sleeve Cool Touch Work t-shirt. It is that long. And these pants are the Halara Flex high-waisted pocket wide leg waffle work pants in size small. This shirt is also in size small black, and I love this shirt. This is like, it says it's cooling, and it really does feel like it's cooler, especially since it's getting hot in here. You know, every time we try on clothes, it's like a workout top, but it's not. It's like a little bit more, I would say not loose, but not so workoutish that I couldn't wear it. And I wanted this type of top to wear with like these kind of high-waisted pants. That way you don't have to like have the long, like all tops are like down here for me unless it's like a crop top, and then it's a little too short. So this is like actually the perfect length for me, especially for work. The pants, however, I'm going to return because this is a small, and it just is just really big. It's just a lot of material, and I should know, I always want to love wide leg pants, but as a short girl, it's just not the best look for our frame. Maybe you can rock it, but I cannot. So I want to love this. I am going to actually exchange this for the extra small because I actually love this color so much. And the fabric is this waffly material. Super comfortable, very airy. If you don't know, I live in Hawaii, so when we go to work and stuff, I mean, you want to be professional and, you know, everything, but it is hot. Like, even if your office is air conditioned, walking to and from your office, it's hot. And you go somewhere else after, like I usually have to go to like practice after, like baseball or whatever, outdoors, and it's hot, so you can't be wearing blazers or anything like that in Hawaii. Anyway, so this is what it looks like in the back. It is an elastic waist all the way around, and the front is also one of those fake, like I wouldn't say fly, fake button-up area But I mean, really, I don't miss the button. Having it there is always uncomfortable, right? It is really wide. The pockets are also nice. I love the pleats. It's just, I think if it was extra small, it's just like a little bit less fabric, I would like it like the other pants. Also on the back, it's just a little too baggy over here where I would feel weird wearing it with something like this top. Like if I wore a longer top and you couldn't see, then it'd be fine. But if you wore like a shorter top and you could see this part, I feel like that doesn't look that professional, I guess. I ordered 2 of the same pants. I'll just try it on really quick. So this color that I'm wearing is the mink ash, and this burgundy color is called anemone. I'll try this one on. So this is the other color. I actually really like this color too. But you see how it just looks a little wider, just small. Maybe I'll get an extra small in this one too. This other material better though. And I think they have this in this color also. So yeah, the one thing about Halara is that they have petite length. So this is a petite length, size small. But they also have like, I don't know, 20 different colors of everything. So if you have a particular color, so you got color match or whatever, you can find something for you. This next outfit is all Halara also. The top is the V-neck short sleeve casual t-shirt in Ren in size small. And the pants are Halara Flex high-waisted body sculpt, waist slimming pocket wide leg micro waffle work pants. And I think the word that you should like pick out here is micro waffle if you really want to just search that up, because I really like this micro waffle too. It's completely different than this waffle texture. So this one you can really see. This one, I mean, it's in black, but I mean, you can't really see. It looks like just a really tiny baby rib, if anything, and it feels a lot smoother, like silkier. And this top is like really nice. The drape of it is really nice. In both of these tops, I do want to get other colors because that one is a really practical one. Like if you had a white one, you can wear under things. This is just one of those easy to throw on work or whatever tops. And it's just a V-neck. This is what it looks like in the back. Has the seam down. It's a little big. I think I would get the extra small just because I don't like it to be too open all over here. But otherwise it looks fine. The drape is nice. I would probably tuck it in. The pants are black, so it's a little hard to see, but they do have the nice pockets. A little pleat right here. The waistband is completely elastic, like a nice wide elastic. My favorite part though is the back. So instead of pockets, it kind of has like that yoga pants kind of contouring, I guess. It just hangs well, the fabric drapes well, and the length is perfect for flats for me. And I always wear flats or shoes because I have to walk kind of far. So love that. The shirt is nice and airy and yeah, super comfortable. Like dress pants that you can like totally like bend down in. It's just super like loose and comfy and stretchy. So in these pants, I am definitely gonna get other colors because they're all really good. So just being nitpicky, I think this one looks more professional. Also, I mean, maybe because it's in black too, so hard to tell. But it doesn't show any like panty lines because it's not 100% smooth. Like this one would probably show panty lines the most just because it's smooth and stretchy like yoga pants. But because of the texture, it doesn't like cling onto your underwear. So yeah, so now I'm gonna try on the one workout pant. I had to get one because I am a total Lululemon girl. Like I have my collection and I had to like compare. So let's try that one on. Okay, so these are the workout pants and these are the Halara Ultra Sculpt So Cinched high-waisted tummy control pocket shaping training leggings, black, small, 7/8 length. And I wish sorry, I didn't see all the prices, but this one was $31. I'll maybe list the prices that I paid for in the description with the titles, just because they always have deals. So I bought like a lot of them on like buy two get one free. some other deals like that. So I will list it all down below, but these are so good. So I just switched the tops because this is probably more of like what you would wear it with. So these do have the pockets. It's super nice. It does have like the butt contour, I guess, and the front contour. It goes down like this. And I mean, I actually really love these. I have a big collection of Lululemon pants, and I have the Aligns. I do like the running pants, the compression ones. I also have the Wonder Unders, and they all are great, right? This is one of my favorite pairs because they're Mickey. But so these are the Wonder Unders. I would compare these to the Wonder Unders, but they're better because they have pockets. So the Wonder Unders, you know, it has like that, I guess, kind of tummy control wide band. It's not contoured at all. It's just straight across. They do come out with like limited runs where they do have pockets, but I don't know. Shouldn't you always have pockets? I don't know. Unless it's some kind of design, you should always have pockets. Why wouldn't you? And these are nice deep ones where you could put your phone in. But it feels nice and compressive. It doesn't have like that string. I don't know why, but a lot of Lulu pants, like the running ones, they all have that string to, you tie it and keep your pants up. I don't run, so I don't have that problem. The string, I never use it. This one doesn't have it. It's high-waisted and it's compressive right here, but not so much you're uncomfortable. So I don't know. I'm super happy with these. I think these are like, I paid like $31. But you know, you can probably get 3 of these compared to one of those. So I can't wait to get the other 3 items. The other 3 items are the jeans. I have a pair of jeans and 2 white tops that are gonna come in hopefully in the next couple weeks. But yeah, I'm so happy. I love everything that I got. I mean, besides the sizing issue. So even though I do have to pay for my own shipping to mail the pants back, I'm definitely gonna order them in the smaller size, plus some other ones too, because I just love the work pants. The price is amazing and the fit is so good. Highly recommend Halara. So thank you for watching. Hope this helped any of my short friends out there, and I'll see you in the next video.